Assume you are rolling two dice. The first one is red and the second one is green. Use a systematic listing to determine the number of ways you can roll a total of less than 8 on the two dice. So I am going to use a systematic listing. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to have parentheses, and in the first slot I'll have the first dice, and in the second slot I'll have the second dice. So what I do is I start with 1 in the first place. Then I go ahead and list out all the possibilities for the second one. You could roll a 1, you could roll a 2, you could roll a 3, you could roll a 4, you could roll a 5, and you could roll a 6. Now I move up to the second one. Let's let 2 be in the first place. And same thing. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Let's keep on going. Now move up to 3. And 4. Five, and 6. Okay, so we want a sum or a total less than 8. So I'm going to highlight the ones that are less than 8, and you'll notice that what happens is it ends up being this triangular pattern when you list out your options like this. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. That's all less than 8. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. That's less than 8. Now don't include 2, 6 because that is 8. To be less than 8 means you're 7 and below. Okay? 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. Okay, you would stop there because 3 and 5 make 8. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. Stop there because 4, 4 makes 8. 5, 1, 5, 2. Stop there because it's 8. And then 6, 1, and that's it. Now notice here, you see how you have this triangular pattern? Okay, so that's going to happen whenever you're talking about sums. So now let's count up the number of ways. Let's count up how many we have. We have 6 from our first row, 5 possibilities from our second row, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so this is going to be a total of, let's see, I'm counting up. 6 and 4 gives me 10. That's another 10. That's 21. Okay, so there are a total of 21 ways you can roll a sum less than 8. So I hope this helps.